Suggestion none. We have received alarming intel. Police and Army intelligence are actively hunting former CCC Zimbabwe Deputy Spokesperson Honorable Gift Ostallos and Honorable Amos Chibaya. This comes in the wake of their media address at Harare Magistrates Court just days ago. The two were showing solidarity with Chief Administrator Senator Jameson Timba and the Avondale 78 at a bail ruling session. Now they are targets. 2 days ago, security agents disguised as family members stormed Honorable Siziba's parents' home in Bulawayo. Their sinister mission? Abduction, torture, and indefinite detention to prevent them from seeking bail. The regime is terrified, fearing these leaders are orchestrating protests before the upcoming SADC summit. This is a blatant attempt to silence voices of justice and freedom. We are not yet free in Zimbabwe. But remember the words of Father Zimbabwe, the late Dr. Joshua M. Nyongolo Nkomo. This country will never die. The young people will save it. Stay vigilant. Stay informed. Stand for justice.